Harvard professional development programs are designed for mid to senior level managers looking to improve their leadership and management skills or learn new ones in order to become more effective in their roles. Our programs run either on campus in our dedicated classroom space in Harvard Square for 2 to 5 day sessions, or conveniently online in a variety of formats. Both our full-day on-campus programs and our live online instruction may include role-playing, team breakouts to discuss a challenge, or case study discussions. We promise you'll find a program to meet your needs. We have more than 50 unique titles in areas such as leadership, innovation, business strategy, marketing, communication, and negotiation, offered multiple times throughout the year. We guarantee you'll return to your office inspired with a larger business network. Visit us online or chat with one of our representatives today to learn more about Harvard Professional Development programs.
When I started researching this course, my initial thought was to look for an innovation course. You learn in different ways, but actually, when I stopped to think about what prevents innovation from happening is that change doesn't happen. So I want my career to take me to a place where I am the one driving innovation and I'm known for it. But I think if I didn't have the foundation of driving successful change initiatives, I wouldn't get to doing the innovation side of it.
The experience of such a diverse group of participants in the program from so many different industries and working in group sessions together on the projects really was very informative to see how different people apply and think and use the material. And I'll say that I honestly learned a great deal from the participants as well as from the class.
I'm looking to start my own company, so I think the number of things I've learned today would help me in terms of direction, in terms of what I want to do going forward.